Alright, so I got a text from a shop in the area that repairs a RIDGID tools grinder repaired. And so I'm gonna go pick her up right now, and I'll show you. Well, you'll know what it looks like, but yeah, just down here. Put you guys on pause, and if I ever get to it, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Not very big. It's not a very big place, but there's still people till 6, according to the sign. So let me pull in here and go get it, huh? All right. Alright, so we just got a new one, and this is the company's name, and there's the phone number, and brand new in a box, so I got to call, and yeah. Okay, you know.